Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by Nadulahair. So they are celebrating their anniversary, 9th anniversary. So shout out to Nadulahair on celebrating their anniversary. I have worked with them several times over the last few years. Not few years, but for a long time. So shout out to them. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. I am going to be trying one of their Yaki bobs. I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys on the camera so you guys can watch that. So this is the Nadulahair Bye Bye Knots lace wig. This is a 7x5 Yaki bob that they have. I have it in 10 inches. It comes with pre-cut lace. It has the 7x5 closure area, as I told you guys. It has a comb in the back, it has adjustable straps and a drawstring, and it has an adjustable elastic band as well. So I, off camera, went ahead and put a flat iron through it, and this is what it looks like. Nice shine to it. And so I am going to put this on. I went ahead and tinted the lace as well with my contour here from Plaudio in the shade Mocha. And you will see, like, I'll put it on the screen of what the lace looked like before I tinted it. We'll see how much the lace tint helped out. It helped out a lot because it blends well into my skin. So I'm just going to adjust it, the drawstring in the back. I'm going to tuck it under, and I'm going to adjust the wig to my head and pull it back a little bit. And I flat ironed it off of my head. So that's it. I mean, and it's laying flat on the scalp there, as you guys can see, because this is glueless. I haven't put anything on it. Just gonna plop it down, pull it back. Love an easy style. And the Nadulahair is affordable as well. If you're looking for affordable human hair wigs, they have a lot of them. So gonna add a slight bump to the front. And this is what 10 inches looks like on me, as somebody who is 6 feet tall and has a longer neck. So 10 inches is pretty short already, but this is what 10 inches kind of looks long though. And this is a thick bob, a thick Yaki bob. Very beginner friendly. All I had to do is press it out. I might put a little bit of powder in my part, just like a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm back, and you guys have seen how I installed this wig. This was very easy and beginner friendly. So this is their Yaki 7x5 closure wig. This is 10 inches. It feels like it might be a little bit longer in the front than it is in the back. It's a very full bob as well. This is, they do a lot for you to make this very easy. And if you're looking for an affordable human hair wig, they do have some good prices for you guys. I have all the information about the pricing and everything in the description box with the links. And if they have any coupon codes, they will be down below as well. Yeah, all I did was flat iron this wig. I used my hot comb at the roots, and then I tinted the lace underneath. And I'm wearing this completely glueless, and I'm somebody who always uses, you know, some form of adhesive, temporary adhesive to, you know, adhere my wigs down. But this is flat on my head. I just adjusted that drawstring that comes in the back, and it's flat on my scalp. So you can wear this glueless for the people who are, you know, new to wigs, or people who just don't want to have to fool with a lot of different steps. They have it, they make this very beginner friendly, so no issues there. And I just did a sunlight test for you guys. It is 1 p.m. so it's a bright sunny day, so I showed you guys what it looks like in low sun and then direct sunlight. I feel like this actually looks really good. It looks really good outside. You'll probably see a little bit of lace, but it's not terrible. It looks good outside. So I am going to see what kind of style. I'm just going to do one other style with this wig and see what I want to do. So, and I have just a few strands of shedding. That's all I have. So alright guys, so I have done a side part and I added some curls to the wig. So it is very versatile. You can do a lot of styles with this wig, but I just, wanted to add some curls to it to show you guys that you can curl this wig. Yeah, so I haven't gotten much shedding and this is pretty short. I'm not probably going to get any tangling. Any tangling that I get will probably be at the nape. If you are interested in this wig from Nadulahair, you can head over to their website. I'll have coupon codes as well as links to shop this wig in the description box. Shout out to Nadulahair for sponsoring today's video, and congratulations to them on their 9th anniversary. Shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.